This pristine, updated expanded cape is now for sale in the Indian Lake community in Denville. Step into this lovely home, with gleaming hardwood floors throughout. The living room boasts a lovely gas fireplace and lots of light. This open floor plan features the living room flowing into the dining room with a walkout to the stunning backyard. Just imagine the gatherings of family and friends you can't have in this space. The kitchen is recently updated with fine finishes. Stainless appliances and granite counters backed with tile rest atop lovely cabinetry. Though an open floor plan, this home has a clever use of space to provide lots of storage options. The peninsula has the lovely range with hood on one side and a convenient breakfast bar on the other. Around the corner is a great den that provides flexibility. There's also a large bedroom on the first floor, as well as a full bath, with simply lovely finishes. Up on the second floor is the second bedroom. It has lots of light and cozy carpet throughout. The bath has a glass shower surround and beautiful tile work. The third bedroom rounds out the second floor. Wonderful built-in shelving graces one wall. The finished walkout basement has a wonderful rec room with bright French doors and recessed lighting. It's a great space. Just imagine what you can do with it. There is a lot of storage and versatility. The laundry room is bright and clean, with yet more storage. If the house isn't perfect enough, you will fall in love with the beautiful, private wooded backyard. Fully landscaped, the new paver patio is stunning. Indian Lake is a desirable, vibrant community located less than a mile from the heart of downtown Denville. Come down to the lake for some fun days of fun for kids of all ages. With a rich history of memories and traditions, Indian Lake continues to provide a unique and memorable experience for generations of families and makes this a truly special place to live. Year-round activities are available to lake members, including swimming, boating, fishing, volleyball, horseshoes and softball. Enjoy fun weekend, kids events, live music events and social clubs. Come down to the lake for some fun days of fun for kids of all ages. Indian Lake is located less than a mile from the heart of downtown Denville. The town of Denville, known as the hub of Morris County, is a great little town located only 40 miles from New York City. Take a stroll down Broadway or Main Street, both filled with a variety of restaurants and shops, that all add to the small town charm. Denville also has seasonal street festivals and holiday parades down Broadway that have been enjoyed by local families for years. The town is conveniently located near major highways, and easy access to buses and trains make it ideal for commuters.